First option here, you will get the option called more views, more followers, more pages views. If you want to increase the views on your video, then select the more views option. If you want to increase the more follower on your TikTok profile, then click on the more follower option. Then if you want people to follow your TikTok profile, then select the views profile option. Will you increase views and followers on your TikTok account? That is, your TikTok account will grow very quickly. Then the video is basically for you. You should watch the entire video without skipping because the video is going to be very important. After watching the video, you will make any video viral instantly. For this, you first have to open the TikTok app, then you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right. There you will see your uploaded videos on your profile. So I uploaded this video here to show you. So select the video that you want to promote, increase views or mark viral. I am showing you though this video. For this, I will click on the video. After clicking on the video will open and you will see several options on the right side, increasing, giving like and comments. And you will also see a three dot icon. You will click there. After clicking on the three dot icon, several options will appear in the form of a pop-up at the bottom. Among them, you will click on the option called increases views. So after clicking on the increases views option, such a page will open in front of you. So the main thing here is you keep looking carefully. In the first option here, you will get the option called more views, more followers, more pages views. If you want to increase the views on your video, then select the more views option. If you want to increase the more follower on your TikTok profile, then click on the more follower option. Then if you want people to follow your TikTok profile, then select the views profile option. So you can select any option from here according to your needs. Then you will see the video you will promote at the bottom. Below that, you will be able to see some of your special packages. That is, you will see the packages for how long and how many coins you will spend to promote this ad. And you will see the price of each package on the right side of the package. Then you can customize it to any budget or want to do the customize option that you see below the package. So I am now click on the customize. So you can here you have the option to give your budget and duration. You can give any budget and duration according to your needs from here. So you can see here I have selected $30 and budget and 7 days the duration. Then the option that you will get is the recharge option, and the amount that you see next to here recharge and actually coins. There is no need to look at them too much. You have to pay the amount that you have selected. So you can see I click on the recharge. So after clicking here, you will see the coins and the amount together. Here it is the main thing to see your coins. You will select the amount giving according to your need. Then you will click on the recharge. So you will see the Google payment method will appear in the form of the pop-up at the bottom. So for this, you must pay through Google payment method. You can see that I have added a Visa card here. Those of you who cannot add Google Pay payment method, go to my YouTube channel and watch it. There is a video related to this on my channel, or I will put this video link in this description box for you to watch. Then you will click on the buy option that you can see below. Then the specific amount of dollars will be recharged from your payment method and your promote will be active. So after that, your video will have million views and your account will increase in number of followers. If you want, you can easily promote your TikTok account very quickly in this way. So everyone like and comment how you like the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell next to it to get such important videos. Everyone stay well and stay healthy. Thank you very much to everyone.